Hi lovelies, do you know you can make suya at home just using your air fryer? Yes, I made those suya using my air fryer. Do well to watch this video to see how it was made. Here I have my beef. I just took out some beef I used in cooking. So I'll just slice this into tiny pieces. The part I took for this suya I'm making had some fat on it because I needed that oil. If not, if we use the main beef, it would come out dry. I'll be going in with my seasoning cube, some curry powder, then I added some salt, and here comes our suya pepper. The suya pepper is definitely important for this suya. If not, you'll not get that suya taste. I'll just mix it before adding my groundnut oil. The groundnut oil is also important because we're using air fryer. We don't want it to come out like roasted meat. It should look more like suya. I'll place this in my air fryer and I'm going to let it sit here for like 30 minutes. This is just to ensure the spice, the seasoning gets into the beef. You can make yours a bit fatter. I just had to cut mine into tiny pieces. You can make yours bigger than this. I'll let this sit for 30 minutes like I said before turning it on. In the next 30 minutes, I'll be turning this on. I'll set it to 20 minutes for it to heat. In the next 10 minutes, I'll be checking it. What I'll just need to do is to flip the suya because our air fryer, it's only heating from the top. So we need to flip it so both sides can get well cooked. Please, if you're still watching this video, do well to like this video. You can leave a comment, and if you've not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is totally free. And here our suya is ready. Suya has a special taste when maybe you use newspaper or old used paper for it instead of just serving it in a plate. That's why I decided to use a newspaper to serve this, and I added some onion. You can also add your fresh tomato, you can also add fresh pepper if you wish, or your cabbage or cucumber, anything you wish. And most importantly, I topped it with the suya pepper because this is the game changer. The suya pepper is the game changer. And that's all for our suya. After watching this video, let me know if you'll be able to make suya at home. I can bet you it tastes completely the same as that which you'll buy on the road. Just make sure you get the right suya pepper. And if you can also make it, do well to make yours. Let me know if you'll be trying this recipe, and also if you find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.